get ready to be amazed. 2025 is here, and with it comes a wave of mind-blowing inventions that are set to change the way we live, work, and play. From AI-powered personal assistants that anticipate your needs to futuristic transportation and groundbreaking health tech, these innovations are not just upgrades, they're game changers. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about what the future holds, these incredible inventions will leave you inspired and excited for what's coming next. E-Starling Urban Air. Urban Air Adventure Park, formerly known as E-Starling Urban Air, is an action-packed indoor amusement centre designed for all ages. With a wide range of attractions, including trampolines, ninja warrior courses, ropes courses, climbing walls, and sports courts, it offers endless excitement and physical challenges. Unique features like the Twist Tower, go-kart tracks, spin zone bumper cars, and Leap of Faith add adrenaline-pumping fun. Perfect for birthdays, family outings, or summer camps. The park also provides customizable ticket packages, including a 90-day unlimited play summer pass. Whether you're looking to soar, climb, race, or play, Urban Air delivers unforgettable adventures in a safe, high-energy environment. Ideal for families seeking both fun and fitness under one roof. Sylvan M5 LZDC BOAT. The Sylvan M5 LZDC is a top-tier luxury pontoon boat designed for performance, comfort, and versatility. Its standout feature is the convertible rear bar, which easily transitions into a spacious lounge area for entertaining or relaxing. Equipped with dual helm chairs and a raised 360-degree view passenger seat, it offers a premium experience for both captain and guests. This model includes a private changing room, aluminum performance shield for enhanced stability, and mood lighting for added ambience. Depending on the configuration, it comes with either a galley or lounge arm galley for onboard cooking and refreshments. With a powerful 300 horsepower engine, the M5 LZDC delivers a smooth, high-speed ride for unforgettable days on the water. Galactic Cargo Companion. The Galactic Cargo Companion is a limited edition G1T4-M1N1 droid, created through a collaboration between Star Wars and Piaggio Fast Forward. This high-tech, personal cargo carrier can follow its user autonomously, transporting up to 20 pounds of gear with ease. Outfitted with exclusive Star Wars decals, custom droid sounds, and dynamic light patterns that reflect status updates, it blends sci-fi aesthetics with everyday convenience. Users can connect the droid to the Midgeter app to personalize features, stream music, and monitor battery life. The G1T4-M1N1 offers an interactive experience responding to user movement and voice with Star Wars-themed flair. Available through PiaggioFastForward.com and DisneyStore.com, this companion droid is a must-have for tech lovers and Star Wars fans alike. Kia PV5. The Galactic Cargo Companion is a limited edition G1T4-M1N1 droid, created through a collaboration between Star Wars and Piaggio Fast Forward. This high-tech, personal cargo carrier can follow its user autonomously, transporting up to 20 pounds of gear with ease. Outfitted with exclusive Star Wars decals, custom droid sounds, and dynamic light patterns that reflect status updates, it blends sci-fi aesthetics with everyday convenience. Users can connect the droid to the Midgeter app to personalize features, stream music, and monitor battery life. The G1T4-M1N1 offers an interactive experience, responding to user movement and voice with Star Wars-themed flair. available through PiaggioFastForward.com and DisneyStore.com. This companion droid is a must-have for tech lovers and Star Wars fans alike. AVIDRONE Drone 210. The AVIDRONE Drone 210. Turkish lira is a cutting-edge heavy-lift cargo drone designed for last-mile delivery with a maximum payload of 16 kilograms, 35 pounds, and an impressive range of up to 100 kilometers, 65 miles. Weighing 37 kilograms, 85 pounds. It features a low noise signature and easy rapid assembly with a 3-piece design stored in a hard-sided case. Built for BVLOS, beyond visual line of sight. Operations: the 210TL's battery electric propulsion offers an eco-friendly solution for extended range deliveries. Its tandem rotor design ensures stable flight in varying weather, while AVIDRONE's proprietary autopilot system eliminates the need for specialized pilots. Versatile and scalable, the 210 Turkish lira is ideal for flexible logistics, supporting payloads up to 25 kilograms as a small UAS platform. Jojo Bean Tiny House. The Kia PV5 is a groundbreaking all-electric van platform set to launch in 2025, offering versatile solutions for both passenger and cargo transport. Built on a modular EV platform, it supports multiple configurations, including passenger vans, cargo vans, and chassis cabs. With zero-emission performance, the PV5 suits a wide range of commercial needs, from urban delivery to ride-sharing. It features advanced technology like a wide digital display, Android OS infotainment, OTA updates, and best-in-class ADAS. The interior is flexible, offering 5 or 7-seat options in the passenger version and class-leading cargo space in the cargo variant. With V2L capability, fleet management software powered by Geotab, and a wheelchair-accessible model in development, the PV5 is Kia's scalable, future-ready solution for modern mobility. LEV E-Bike. The Electrum Light. Electric vehicle e-bike is a powerful and versatile ride designed for long-distance travel and robust performance. Equipped with dual-hub motors delivering up to 4,700 watts, it offers an impressive range of up to 200 kilometers on a single charge. Built with a welded aluminum frame and carbon fiber/fiberglass body panels, it combines strength with lightweight design. The e-bike features 20-inch wheels with moped tyres and high-quality suspension, providing 100mm of travel for a smooth ride. Its 72-volt battery system is user-configurable, allowing 1 or 2 battery packs. Additional highlights include hydraulic disc brakes, a programmable controller, and a compact 4.5-metre turning radius, accommodating riders from 5 feet 0 inches to 6 feet 10 inches. Armour Big Rock 4x4. The Armour Big Rock 4x4, priced at $689.99, is a rugged and high-performance RC truck built for durability and precision handling. It features a stronger chassis with retained hinge pin plates and improved steering clearance for navigating rocky terrain. The 1.1-inch wider stance enhances stability and bashing capability. Key upgrades include a castellated slipper pad, sliding gear mesh, and plastic lock nut for the slipper. It's equipped with a 23T spline servo saver, 37T 1.35 mod differentials with silicone O-rings, and oil-filled shocks for smooth suspension. The truck sports a matte black finish on its body, bumpers, and multi-spoke wheels, paired with vented multi-terrain D-Boots Ragnarok tyres, ensuring excellent grip on various surfaces. Volvo Haven 2030. The Volvo Haven 2030 is a futuristic concept car that showcases Volvo's commitment to sustainability, safety, and user-centric innovation. Fully electric and built with eco-friendly materials, it integrates advanced technologies such as LiDAR-based driver assistance, interior occupant sensing, and a connected safety system that communicates with other Volvo vehicles. The minimalist interior features ambient lighting, nubuck leather rugs, fold-out storage compartments, and high-quality natural materials for comfort and elegance. Seamless digital integration includes Google built-in, remote vehicle access via the Volvo app, and a robust infotainment ecosystem. Designed for a sustainable future, the Haven blends environmental responsibility with luxury and intelligence, setting a visionary standard for what the Volvo driving experience could be in 2030. Sherp Off-Roader. The SHERP Off-Roader is a rugged amphibious utility terrain vehicle engineered for extreme off-road conditions. Built with a sealed body and giant low-pressure tubeless tyres, it floats on water and powers through snow, mud, sand, and rocky terrain with ease. Its pneumatic suspension system allows real-time tyre pressure adjustments for optimal traction, while a skid steering system provides exceptional manoeuvrability, even enabling zero radius turns. Powered by a fuel-efficient Doosan D18 diesel engine, the Sherp can run up to 115 hours without refueling and carry up to 2,645 pounds of cargo. Safety features include a rollover protection system, ROPS, ergonomic controls, and excellent visibility. Ideal for rescue missions and remote exploration, the SHERP excels where other vehicles cannot go.